Welcome to this week's live update. I'm Chancellor Donde Plowman, and I'm thrilled to be with you today. First, I want to start by talking a little bit about vaccines and our campus community. I'm going to remind you that we offer vaccines here on campus at the Student Health Center for anyone who needs one, free of charge. To date, on campus, we have administered 13,727 vaccine doses. We also know, based on aggregate data that the Student Health Center has received from the state, that 77% of faculty have completed or are in the process of completing their COVID-19 vaccinations. So that's 77% of faculty. Additionally, 73% of our staff have completed or are in the process of completing their vaccinations. And at least 64% of our students have received at least one dose. Now, this percentage does not capture anyone who was immunized outside the state of Tennessee, including many of our out-of-state students who may have been vaccinated in their home states. We have been able to keep our transmission low here on campus, and vaccination is clearly a big part of that. So thank you to everyone who's done their part to protect themselves and everybody else. If you have not had your vaccination yet, that's okay. Now is a great time to go do it. If you have questions, talk to your healthcare provider or talk to one of the doctors and medical professionals at the Student Health Center. Now let's talk about flu shots. We're getting ready to head right into flu season, and we strongly encourage everyone to get their flu shot. I got mine just this past Monday, so I'm ready to go. Much like last year, the flu shot is important because we want to minimize, again, the impact on our local healthcare system by keeping ourselves and other people healthy. And like the COVID vaccine, the flu vaccine both protects you and others by slowing the spread of the influenza virus. Students, faculty, and staff can get their flu shot at the Student Health Center pharmacy. You don't need an appointment. You can just walk in. Those walk-ins are welcome on Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. So anytime in there, just stop by and you can get a flu shot. So let's do a bit of an update on COVID. So let's talk about COVID cases on our campus. I want to remind you that you can always find the latest data on our active COVID cases and those who've reached out to COVID support teams on our website, which is utk.edu/coronavirus. That's utk.edu/coronavirus. Now, we update this data every day. As of the end of the day yesterday, we had 32 active positive cases, 8 from employees and 24 from students. That's really good news. Transmission in our broader Knoxville community is also going down, as are hospitalizations, which is good news. As we head into the winter months, it is important to remain vigilant. Now, you can find out more about COVID and flu vaccines, what to do if you're sick, how to access the COVID support form at the Student Health Center website. And I'll remind you what that is, lowercase studenthealth.utk.edu. Again, that's lowercase studenthealth.utk.edu for any information you need or help and support if you think you may be having COVID or any other kind of health problems. So in closing, this is a brief update, mostly really good news to share. This is all we have today. So please continue to be smart. Wear your mask, get your vaccine, and look out for one another like you've been doing. We will be back here same time on Thursday in 2 weeks. So have a great day Go Balls, and let's beat Ole Miss.